Hi, here's a quick video introduction to the Hearts of Space website for desktop or laptop users with a standard service plan. With this service level, you get unlimited plays of this week's show and programs in any of our 11 full-time channels. Right now, we're looking at our main welcome page. I'm going to sign into one of our test accounts as a standard service subscriber using the sign-in box at the upper right corner of the site. When I sign in, the main window area automatically loads the channel selection page. That's the one with all the colorful banners. A channel is like an online radio station. It's designed for continuous listening without any interaction beyond choosing the channel you want to hear, or one of the 12 shows that appear on that channel at any given time. One difference between our service and a radio station is that no matter when you tune in, the program you select will start from the beginning. Okay, with channels, there's just one rule for standard service subscribers. You have to start the channel playing from the main menu page for that channel. That's it. One rule. Okay, let's choose a channel and see what you can do as a standard service subscriber. I'll pick Electronic Space. When I do, it loads the main page for that channel. The channel banner enlarges to full size, and the 12 shows currently selected in that channel are listed below it. Note that the label area in the top bar also changes to the name of the current channel. For a quick view of the playlist for any show in the channel, you can click the little eye icon to the right of the program's title, and it'll show you a small window with the artists, track titles, album titles, and track timings for that show. You can also click the banner or the title of that show in the list to open the full program details page. Just below that label is the main play button for the channel. That's the best place to start listening. It'll play that channel from top to bottom for up to 12 hours, which is the length of a user's session on our service. Below the channel banner is a list of programs currently in the channel with play buttons for each program. Every hour, the program at the top of the list plays off, and a new program is added at the bottom of the list. So every 12 hours, you have a whole new set of programs for each channel. On the larger channels, like Electronic Space with almost 500 programs, it can be months before a show is repeated. The shows on the channel list are played in order from top to bottom. You can choose to start the channel playing from any show, and it will go from there to the bottom of the list. But it will not go back and play the shows you skipped. If you've played for an hour, a new show will have been added at the bottom, and the channel will update the screen and continue playing. So, that's how channels work. Let's try it. I'll choose the fourth program in the list and start from there. Before we finish, let's take a closer look at the player while the channel is running. It has a lot of useful options, and it never moves, so you can always refer to it. On the left, next to the album cover graphic, are 4 lines of text. Line 1 tells you which channel is playing. In this case, Electronic Space. If you've drilled down to see the details of one of the programs or have gone anywhere else in the site, you can always click the channel name in the player and return to the current playlist for that channel, where you can select any of the 12 current shows. Line 2 tells you what program is playing. If you're viewing the channel playlist or anything else in the site, you can click line 2 in the player to load the program detail page for that show. In that view, you'll also find links to the artist's website, the label website, and the album page at Amazon or another retailer. Lines 3 and 4 identify the artist name, the track title, and the album title for the currently playing selection. It's the same information that's in the program's detail page, but it's in the player. In the center of the player is the big play-pause button, with arrow icons for skipping forward and back within the track and the program. You can also drag the white circle in the timeline bar to skip around in the current show. And finally, if you place the cursor anywhere in the progress bar and click, the player will instantly relocate to that point. That's pretty cool. One more thing. If you're spending most of your time in a particular channel, like say Electronic Space, you can make it your player content on sign-in, so you'll automatically start there each time you come back to Hearts of Space. To do this, go to your settings screen, click Choose a Channel, then select the channel on the drop-down menu that appears. From there, you can go to other channels or this week's show with a click or two. So that's channels for standard service subscribers. Please give yourself a little time to learn and explore the interface. We've built in a lot of features to make it more convenient. If you have further questions or need additional assistance anytime, don't hesitate to email us at service@hos.com. I'm Stephen Hill. Safe streaming, space fan, wherever you are.